In emergencies, cooking without fuel or fire can be essential. Let's explore practical no-fuel cooking techniques that every prepper should know. Step 1. Use ready-to-eat meals or MREs. These require no heating and are designed for quick consumption, making them perfect for emergencies. Step 2. Rehydrate freeze-dried foods. All you need is water, and these meals can provide nutrition and energy when traditional cooking isn't an option. Step 3. Utilize solar cookers. These are efficient, sustainable, and perfect for off-grid scenarios where fuel isn't available. Step 4. Thermal cooking. By preheating food and placing it in an insulated container, you can continue the cooking process without additional heat. Mastering no-fuel cooking techniques ensures you can provide for your family in any situation. No electricity, no fire, no problem. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below for helpful links.